y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. Also, if you'll give my channel a thumbs up, I appreciate that. And also, if you would please share my channel and give me a comment down below. Doing all this would help my channel, and I sure would appreciate it. Today's video, I am doing a paper pumpkin video alternative. I'm just going to share some cards that I made, and I'm a bit out of practice doing some videos. I haven't done video in over a week, so bear with me a little bit. So, because I have been sick and I've had to get some rest, so yeah, I'm a little out of practice now from doing any videos, so you'll just kind of have to bear with me a little bit. My June host code is right here, so you can get that. You screenshot it or whatever. I should have it down also, if I remember. I'll also put it down in the description box. And you can go to stampinup.com, since I do not have my own website, and just go where it says look for demonstrator, and then you click on that, and then you go and you put my name in, and then you can go to just start shopping. Okay, so if you need any help with anything, just let me know and I can help you. Our next paper pumpkin is the Box of Sunshine, and of course it's about to come out, so this one you cannot sign up for anymore. So that one we'll be sharing next. Actually, I'm waiting for it to come next. So this one I'll be sharing here pretty soon. The one I'm going to share with you now is this one here, that in color kit. And this is all that I had left of it. So I've got some pieces left still. Actually, I had a good bit of twine still. So that's what I had left. And I just wanted to show you the cards that I did get made. So here's all my cards. And I think I shared these right here. These, I'm not sure, but I wanted to show these first. This is the regular card that you make with it. Basically, I did a little bit different, but this was that card. I didn't put anything in it that they show how to make. I just love the envelopes. And then this is, I don't even have to take them out because I didn't stamp anything out. This was two alternatives that I'd made first. And like I said, I can't remember if I had already shown these on here. I know I showed them these on Instagram. These I posted on my Facebook group for last month. And I actually won a prize. Because we had to go by a certain drawing that they showed us, a design, and so that's why it's like this. That's how I came up with my design and everything. And we had to use like the new colors, the new in colors, and so I decided I used my paper pumpkin. And and I was the one that won the challenge on it. That's the first time I ever won that. So I was real happy about that. So here's some other cards. I actually ran out of envelopes. I'm waiting on my envelopes to be delivered. So here's this one. I just made a little smiley face and put, oh, happy day. Nothing inside. Some of these I like to leave blank. And this one, where I made the little popsicles, I think a lot of these, I really thought that a lot of these just make really cute little birthday cards. And I used some of this, the woven thread sequence assortment, and just scattered these on here. I used some little glue dots to stick them on, and then I stuck some on here too, and I made another little popsicle. And for the stick, I used some of that designer's DSP, because on the other side of the cinnamon, it looks, well, on all of them, they look like wood grain. Well, at least on some of them. Like some of the designer's DSP, there's like the wood grain look, and you know, and they got all the different textures. And I thought that the cinnamon cider one, it really looked like wood grain. So I just cut me a little strip of it, and I made it look like popsicle sticks. And that just made me think of popsicles, like ice cream. So I really want to do something like, but I don't have any yet, something that makes it look a little shiny up top, maybe, or glittery. I could use my Wink Stella maybe, just glitter it. I thought about doing that. So I'll have to see. But anyway, I was getting a little tired by the time I got to that one, because I'm showing them to you kind of backwards. Alright, and here's this one. And it just says celebrate. I did emboss that. This is I don't have the inks yet. Actually, by the time I went to go order the inks, they were on back order and everything. This was an envelope for from another kit. So, and then I used some of these little enamel dots. I really like this one, how it turned out. I made some grass, and if you're wondering how I cut that, which you can do this with just plain scissors, but I did it kind of the quick way. These, they don't have these anymore. These, gosh, I don't even know how old these are. I can't remember when they came out with these, but I remember how cool these were, and this was way before I was a demonstrator. But see, there's some old Stampin' Up scissors, and I remember thinking, how cool is that? And yeah, it's a retired item, but yeah, you can make grass with them, and I haven't used them in a long time. So there's that. And then I used the clouds, and I put oh happy day, and I used some of that like balmy blue in the background so that my clouds would really pop. And just drew some little stems there with an alcohol marker. And I didn't put anything on the inside. So yeah, I really like that one. I think it's just so bright and fun and cheery. Now this one kind of took me a bit. I mean, it's fun. I'm glad it turned out the way it did, but at first it was a little, it just took me a little bit because I was going one way and then it turned out a whole nother way. So it's a shaker card. And for some reason, every time I do a shaker card, I have the hardest time with them. I don't know why. I'm not real good at shaker cards. They take me a little while. And I don't know, I just tend to mess them up sometimes. I need to get me some of the Stampin' Up's got now the actual foam trim to do a Stampin' Up, to do a shaker now, and I think that'll I've got to get me some of that. I think that's going to help me out a lot because that's where I have my trouble trying to get everything together. So, but I'm happy with it now, the way it turned out. I just used the woven thread sequence assortment inside, and so yeah, I thought it turned out really cute. I used a couple of those little what are they called? Goodness gracious, I almost used all of them. I got a few left. Got a few of the blue and the green left. These little things. And these are really neat. I mean, they're so soft. You could even cut them. So yeah, I've got those left. So, I wish Stampin' Up had somewhere you could get some more. But yeah, I like this card. And then I did do inside, I put "You're a great reason to celebrate" and a stamped all inside. I was going to try and do another shaker card, but I didn't. And then this one's just a, what did I do? Yeah, just a simple little card. Oh, happy day, and then I put thank you. This one I liked. Thought it was a cute little birthday card. It says, "Hey, let's celebrate." And it's like a little fun fold card where it opens up like this, splits in the middle, or kind of like on the halfway side here, whatever you call it. And I put "Happy Birthday" and a bunch of different colors going down, like confetti or something down here. So yeah, I liked that one. Really liked the way that turned out. And I used the front of one of those cards to decorate it. And the card base was one of the new ink colors. That we got right here. In the assortment. So I did have that to use. And then here's this one. I thought this one was cute too. It just says, "Hey, just a little reminder that you are loved. Happy birthday." Bunch of little confetti coming down. And that's another stamp. You notice I use a lot of other stamps, not just Stampin' Up stamps, but I do use, you know, previous paper pumpkin stamps and sometimes previous paper pumpkin items. So yeah, I thought that one was real pretty. And this one, another birthday card. liked this one. I used Wink Stella all over that. I'm not happy. And I used it down here on the little base here. This was, I believe this is a retired stamp, but it went to part of the, it went along with one of the paper pumpkins a little while back with the birthday theme that we had going. So I did happy and birthday. Now this, they still have. It was this, a wish for everything, but you can't get it as a bundle anymore. You can get the stamp sets and the dies, but they don't have it as where you can get the bundles and save 10%. You have to purchase it all separate. So, and then inside I just put, here's to celebrating you. I think that's from a whole nother, I can't remember which one I got that from. To be honest. Oh, it came from this one. Friend Like You, that's where I got it from. And that is the last one. And of course I used that Misty Moonlight card base on this one. So there's all the cards I made with my paper pumpkin. So if you like these, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Please share. Please leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Can't even get them all in there. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. So thanks for watching, and I will be posting these on Instagram so you can see photos of them all. And y'all have a blessed day, and remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be able to see my unboxing of a box of sunshine when that comes and I do the unboxing for that. So I'll see y'all again soon. Thanks for watching.